Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by trimming 5 pounds of sirloin to remove excess fat and cut into 1-inch cubes so each piece cooks evenly. Uniform size is critical. For the marinade, combine 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Whisk and toss the meat to coat thoroughly. Marinate in the fridge for 30 minutes to 4 hours, and reserve 2 tablespoons of the marinade for basting during grilling to maintain flavor. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent charring while grilling. Prepare vegetables by cutting 2 bell peppers, 1 red onion, and 1 zucchini into 1-inch pieces so they cook at the same rate as your meat. Thread kebabs by alternating meat and vegetables and leaving about 1/4 inch space between pieces to allow heat circulation and even cooking. Distribute colors and sizes evenly so each skewer yields balanced flavor and visual appeal. Preheat a gas or charcoal grill to medium-high, about 400 degrees F, and brush grates with oil to prevent sticking before you place the skewers on. Grill kebabs for 8–10 minutes, turning every 2–3 minutes so each side chars lightly. Use an instant-read thermometer and remove at 135 degrees F for medium rare or 145 degrees F for medium, then let carryover bring temperature up. After grilling, rest the kebabs on a tray for 5 minutes to lock juices. Drizzle with the reserved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.